Good morning, you guys. Guys, Kai has a cold, so if you hear him a little stuffy. My poor baby. I know, my poor baby. Welcome to our morning routine. I was gonna set up the camera and show like waking up, but I'm like, I'm over it, y'all. I've been on YouTube for like, what, 11, 12 years. I'm tired of doing that. Y'all know we just woke up. I'm actually a little under the weather too, not gonna lie. You guys know Kai is asleep. Somehow, every single night he ends up in our bed. So here he is. He woke up next to me. I literally woke up with his face in my face like this. So Kai just woke up like this. I give him his milk in bed, his morning bottle. He actually didn't really drink much of it. He only drank like 3 ounces, but I usually give it to him in bed. I'll usually do their first diaper change just in bed, and I have my little bedside diaper caddy on my nightstand. Let me see these feet. Let me see these feet. Let me see these toes. Let me see them. I just wanted to clarify a few things, especially for some of you guys who are new here. So my oldest son, he goes to school Monday through Friday, but we film this on a Sunday. So on weekend mornings, it's a lot more chill. We don't have to get him like ready for school right away and pack his lunch and stuff. And that's usually what my husband does. So this morning I'm up here with Kai, but every morning is different. Like sometimes I'll have both the twins with me up here, or we'll all just be in the room together. Like every day is kind of different, but my oldest son likes to go downstairs immediately when he wakes up. Like he wants to eat his breakfast and watch TV and play with his toys. So usually my husband will go downstairs with him while I have the twins up here, or he'll take a twin with him downstairs. Like today he took Arya downstairs with him. We just go with the flow and divide and conquer. Like sometimes even if Mel notices I'm super tired, he'll just take all the kids with him downstairs so I can get like an extra hour of sleep. So again, every morning is different, but here's just like a general idea of what we do every morning. I'm all out. I am literally all out of everything. I'm out of moisturizer. I'm out of toothpaste. I think that's an excuse for a Target run. Good morning, Kay. Show them your daily breakfast that you love so much.
What?
Show them what you eat every single morning.
Food.
I know you eat food, but show them exactly what you eat.
Chocolate.
Your chocolate protein shake?
Yeah. Blue.
Kayvon calls this his blue cookie. Iced oatmeal Cliff Bar. I love you, Kay. What you doing, Kay? And here's Riri, cuddling with her daddy. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, princess. Hi, Mooch. Hi, princess. Hi, beautiful. Good morning from my Mooch. I don't do her hair until she wakes up from her morning nap. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. So my twinnies are 8 months today. 8 whole months. Can you guys believe it? So you guys know we post them every single month on Instagram, but this time around, to be honest, Mom and I didn't plan their outfits. Like sometimes we plan ahead and like, you know, get them matching outfits and stuff. But we're like, I'm sure we got something in the closet, you know? So I'm gonna try to figure out something for their 8-month outfit. This is super cute for Kai. Little shorts and button-up set. Guys, look at my little gymnast. Look at my little gymnast. Oh no, she wants the clothes. I think she wants this one. Okay. Honestly, I'm not really feeling food. I think I'm just gonna drink one of my little Orgain protein shakes. Before I eat anything, I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 of my Seed DS-01 Daily Symbiotic. This is a 2-in-1 prebiotic and probiotic blend, and this supports whole body health. It supports your gut health, skin health, heart health, and I know gut health right now is a huge buzzword on social media. We see it everywhere. Like I feel like every other TikTok I'm watching, it's about bloating and making sure your gut is in check. Even under my previous video where I talked about how my acne came back, a lot of you guys were giving me amazing advice under that video, by the way, but a lot of you guys were commenting under that video that I need to get my gut health in check. And you guys are so right. Your gut really is the center of everything. If you're not taking care of your gut, you can see it in so many different parts of your body. So I love taking my DS-01 Daily Symbiotic because again, it's just so easy. It's just 2 little capsules every single day. With gut health and probiotics being such big buzzwords, it can come with a lot of misinformation. So through my own research, I really love what I saw from Seed. Another huge thing that I love about Seed is their capsule design. So it's designed to reach your colon. It has this coating around each capsule to protect it from oxygen and moisture and heat through shipping, and then also from any stomach acid or anything like that when you ingest it, so it actually makes it to your colon so you get 100% of the benefits. I also love the eco-friendly design. So as you guys can see, it is a glass jar. So once you guys get your glass jar with your first shipment, for your refills, they send you your refills in one of these little pouches. So you just pour it right into your glass jar. You also get this really cute travel jar. I took this with me to Coachella, but you can just pour, you know, like a week's worth in here and take it with you on the go. You guys know I always hook y'all up, so you guys can use my code Nazanin to get 15% off your first month's Seed DS-01. Okay, what's the code?
Nazanin!
Use code Nazanin to get 15% off your first month's supply of DS-01. I'll put a link for you guys down below. And you guys also get free shipping with my code. So again, I'll put it on the screen for you guys, as well as the description box down below. So make sure you guys take advantage of that amazing offer. What's the code again, Kay?
I don't know.
You were drinking my shake again.
Yeah.
So basically, Kayvon drank my protein shake. Wait, guys, I just realized, KK, look at this. Look, look, look. Look at the expiration date. December 7th. That's Mommy's birthday. Yeah, December 7th is Mommy's birthday.
Back at Nickelodeon for Rugrats and bringing back.
That just gave me a heart attack. Mel left the speaker down here. Oh my God. KK, that scared me. Did that scare you?
Yeah.
Come here.
What did that sound?
That was the speaker. Look at.
I was scared.
I know, that scared me too. Guys, look at what's on KK's shirt today. Muhammad Ali. KK, you know people say he looks like Daddy?
Yeah.
You think so? Do you think he looks like Daddy too? Ah, I love you.
Come up with more with the heat. There. And this are not Chinese keep. Yeah, these are the real. Yeah, feed. Yeah, anytime them want it. Yeah,
Making milk for Sissy.
Yeah, feed. Yeah, make your girlfriend rock to the beat. And every gangster I move them feet. Yeah, well, I saw it feed. These are the real. Yeah, feed. Yeah. You can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? Give you one time, so you never upset. We can be the best.
Toesies don't get cold. My little marshmallow. Yeah, yeah.
Hi.
Okay, where are we about to go?
Go pool.
Tell the camera.
I go pool, guys.
We're going to the pool.
Hi. Hi,
Say
guys.
hi from the front, right here, to this part.
Dad, I see you.
I know you see me, but they can't see you. So this morning we cleaned KK's room. KK was a big helper, right, K?
Yeah.
So today is Sunday, like I said, so I don't necessarily like to work on Sundays. Obviously with my job being social media, me updating my social media is me working, but I consider more like work, like me like having to get ready to like film or take pictures or anything like that. And I did just film like today. So yeah, guys, my mommy makeover is like less than 3 weeks away. So I just have a lot of stuff I have to get done before that date. So that means working on weekends. So I'm just getting my Coachella vlog up right now, and then I just need to make the thumbnail for that. So once Aria wakes up, Kai's already woken up, but once Aria wakes up, I'm gonna get her dressed for her pictures. We're gonna take their 8-month pictures, and I'm gonna stop this video here because again, this is a morning in my life, a morning routine. So it's like hard because I could keep filming all day. You guys know me. So I'm like, you know what? I gotta cut it off somewhere. And I think that's the perfect time because it's basically lunchtime now. It's about 1 p.m. So Mel just got all the kids ready for their pictures while I uploaded the video. Let me see. Let me see KK. Look at Kai's little overalls. What you wearing, KK?
Mommy, smell it.
I don't think that one has a scent. Yeah, that one doesn't have a scent. Do you smell anything?
Yeah, it's good.
Literally doesn't smell like anything. Look at my baby boy. Let's go take their pictures, babe.
Come on, dude.
Mommy, I will do your hair.
Okay. Dropped it, Kay. Ouch. Hi, Moots. Peekaboo.
I feel happy.
You're happy, baby? Aww. Aww. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Yeah, your best friend. Give you one time to run of a house set. We can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your best friend or your best friend? I can be the